Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable SOC monitoring using Splunk on your server, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable SOC monitoring using Splunk on your server, start by accessing your server where Splunk is installed. Ensure you have administrative privileges to perform the necessary configurations. Open a web browser and navigate to the Splunk web interface by entering the server's IP address followed by the port number 8000. Log in with your Splunk administrator credentials. Once logged in, go to the app menu located on the top navigation bar. Select the Search and Reporting app to begin configuring your data inputs. In the left sidebar, click on Settings to access system configurations. Under the Data section, select Data Inputs to add new data sources. Choose the type of data input you want to enable, such as files and directories, scripts, or TCP/UDP. Follow the prompts to specify the source of your data. Define the data format and set the appropriate index where this data will be stored. Ensure that the necessary source type is set for better classification of the incoming data. After configuring your data input, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Next, go back to the main dashboard and create a new search. Use the search bar to query the newly ingested data to verify that it is being collected correctly. Save this search as a report for future reference. Now, navigate to the Alerts section within Settings to set up notifications. Click on New Alert and configure the conditions that will trigger an alert. Define the action that will be taken when the alert is triggered, such as sending an email or executing a script. Save the alert configuration to activate it. Next, consider setting up a scheduled search to regularly monitor specific events. In the Search and Reporting app, create a new search for your monitoring criteria. Set the time range and frequency for the scheduled search. Choose to send alerts based on the results of this search. Finally, review your settings and ensure everything is configured according to your SOC monitoring needs. Monitor the alerts and dashboard to ensure that SOC activities are being captured in real time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.